Oh, this is the question and we have to solve this question. Okay, so let's assume that what will happen, x power 10 to the power x, 10 to the power x and 10 to the power x, if we sum it, it become a 3 into 10 to the power x is equal to 600, right? You can also think about assuming that 10 to the power x is equal to t, so this become a 3t, and then replace the value of t with x, so this become a 3 into 10 to the power x. Now 10 to the power x is equal to 600 divided by 3, which is equal to 200. Now how to solve this? Now we have to take a log base 10 on both the sides. So what we'll do is log base 10 to the power x is equal to log 200. We can write it 2 into 100. Okay, so what will happen is when you take a log, this become power comes before the log and this become this, and log when multiply is there, then it become a plus sign, so log 2 into log, remember the base is 10 and log 100. Okay, so we know by log property when base and this number is same, then this value become a 1, so this become a x, and that is why we have taken a log on both the side. So log 2 there is some value, so log 10, so log 2 base 10 plus we can write log, we can write 100 as a 10 square, x is equal to log 2 base 10 plus this power will come before this log 10 and this becomes a log 10. These are the log property. Okay, so now if you see that as log 2 base 10 plus 2, so this is a value, log 10 value is 0.3010 plus 2, so 2.310. So this is the value of the x, and this is how we solve this kind of equation. Thank you very much.